For all the beauty they provide, beauty engine panels in the engine bay get in the way of actually doing maintenance. Let's remove them on the 2008 base model Porsche Cayenne and show you how. On all of the covers, there's a variety of either plastic flathead screws or Torx screws. Starting with the left-hand side, we remove the flathead screw. You can pop it underneath to get it out. There's also a plastic screw here that a short Phillips head makes short work of. There's a screw here, mine's missing. T25. T20. On the right hand side, there's a screw here that you can't see me undo thanks to iPhone's autofocus, but we can see the empty spot. There should be one over here that you move in the same way. This is T25. Handy toy, came in handy for the Boxster bumper too, link in the description. I wanted to show here, like in all my other shots, how it's easy, smooth, and step by step, but for some steps you do have to wiggle it to get it out from under the trim. Don't despair if it's not straightforward. Should be fasteners here and here. I usually remove the oil cap. The engine cover can be removed with a firm tug. Gentle tugs to this engine cover, just pop off. Go. Pops right off. Reinstallation. Put the engine cover back on. Let's see how it works, by the way. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 prongs and 1, 2, 3, 4 thingies that just go in. So we will see. To reinstall the trim, we start with this bottom right piece and insert it such that it matches up with the hole here. Like so. Likewise, then we continue with the bottom left piece so that this hole matches up here, and this hole matches up to the top left. Next, we reinstall this trim piece under the rubber gasket, so that it matches at the top right, like so, and at the bottom left with the trim piece here. We also want to line up this filler cap and reinstall it as soon as we can with a T20 because it is wobbly and makes me nervous. We reinstall the cap and can put this cover back on. Give it the same attention. Matching up the trim pieces like so, and reinstalling the cover like so. Tabs match up. Go around where they do hold. Reinstalling them. Two go here if you had the clips that hold them. We have the 1, 2, 3, 4 Torx.